The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast. So I want to touch on something that came up in a comment I received from a clip of a previous episode. I responded to him already, but I hope Travis is listening here because I just want to say thanks to him for bringing up this topic and for listening to the show and for watching my videos. Travis mentioned in his comment that his wife thinks his passion for lawn care is a bit crazy. And I think a lot of us who are married can relate to that a little bit. Even those of us who aren't married, I'm sure have close friends or relatives who know that we're a little obsessed with lawn care. I'm sure we have those people in our lives that just think we're weird. It's a common perspective. But I'm here to say, with complete honesty, that to have that perspective is to have a complete misunderstanding. So let me explain. Most everyone has a hobby or two, or more. And these hobbies are outlets. They're ways we can escape reality or the day-to-day grind for a bit. Some people read. Some people watch movies. Some people golf. Some people literally get away and go on vacations throughout the year. Well, some of us escape right outside and go to the lawn. Taking an hour or two or however long it takes you each week to step outside and immerse yourself in your lawn, focusing on nothing else other than making it look just a little bit better and adding your own personal touch to it. Blocking out the whole world with either music in your headphones or the noise of the lawnmower. Even just being outside in general has its own benefits and its own healing effects. To those who think we're crazy, please understand that it's just our own version of a therapeutic escape. I work really hard during the week. I'm busy helping out around the house when I'm not working, and we have a pretty active family. Everybody's got something going on, and I'm sure your life is pretty similar. Everybody needs somewhere to unwind, somewhere to reset, somewhere to clear your head. For me, I do it in the yard. And not only do I find therapy in the process, I have something I can look at throughout that entire process that progresses much like I do. And it reminds me that I have a place there. I love seeing the fruits of my labor. I love looking at something that I've put so much time and effort into and feeling all the feelings of pride and accomplishment that come with that. Being able to look at my lawn after feeling so good about how it looks that I just took several pictures of it to post on my social media, and being able to say, I did that, is the high that I strive for each and every week. So, with all of that being said, the TLDR version of all of this is, it's not crazy. It's therapy. So I hope that's a good explanation. Thanks again to Travis for bringing up this topic. I'm sure you didn't intend for it to turn into a segment on the show, but here we are. I think it's an important conversation to have. And hopefully what I said can be used in conversation with those close to you who you might think, or who might think you are a little bit crazy.